Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to draw a person in a skating pose. Now we have done skating videos featuring skating pose before, but this is with a slightly different perspective and posture. So if you have your pencil all set, let's do some very faint lines. We always do faint lines because they help in dealing with mistakes. So what we're doing is person coming right toward the camera in this particular pose. So that is the shoulder set. So really hunched low, delts, head. And this hand and this hand we'll just determine in a moment where they go. But the chest is somewhat like that. And we could show a little bit of the torso like this if we choose, and then we go into the lower body, which is hunched like right back, because skating is when the person is really hunched over. And we have there's 1 foot, shin, knee, upper leg, and we have extreme foreshortening, so quite a bit of foreshortening. So that's the other thigh, knee, shin, and foot. Now this kind of looks like a person, but it also does not really look like a person yet, but we're going to get the framework going and put a little handle on this so that we can get all the essential components in place. So essentially straightforward look. Delts and chest area can just be put out like this. However broad or slim, it's up to you. A little bit of the torso just showing like that, and we will see in a moment that it won't be really all that much visible. So here, let's say that he's wearing some kind of fabric. We go into the thigh, so like that. Knee essentially visible. And how we place this foot is up to us. So a bit of the heel and going into the toes right there. This one as well, so essential thigh structure in place, going right back. And so that's like appearing a little bit more scrunched and bigger, beefier than the other one, which is okay because that's how we want to show it. And then the arms, you can do a few things. So essentially when people are like skating, they have this arm tucked right the back, kind of like that. So if you go like that in this, from this perspective, probably going to come around there. And this arm, we can do one of several things with this. So elbow, we could do that, or we could also go right back. We could also place the arm a little differently and even this arm here. So let's give this a slightly different perspective now. So going backward and showing some the forearm. Let's say it's a fist, and right here, same exercise to coincide with this. We could have fist and forearm in a very dynamic position. So what we are maintaining is that skating positions have forever been used as, in my opinion, as like great character poses. For instance, spread arms and skating on the ice, and even this one can be used in so many different ways. Although essentially it's a skating pose, but we can use it as an action pose. And from here on, we can do so many different things. We could have the thigh coming like right out here. So all those ideas start coming together. So we scrunch the leg even more and go like that. And we can even go and make that leg far more foreshortened than it already is. But of course, depending on what we are looking to accomplish. So all those different possibilities with the skating pose. And how we did start off was the conventional skating pose, or the primary intended skating pose. And we will see this a lot if we Google our way to some images. There's a lot of stuff out there that can really help you get a good handle on this. And that was the primary essential skating pose. So thank you for watching. You could have a lot of fun with this, very useful. Please subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.